Hey everyone, it's Sebastian Jimenez with the Builderall team. So in this video, we're gonna go through all the about settings of our new page. So we're gonna click on see more and go to about. And the first option we have is the category. Right now I have marketing agency, but you can have, that's like the main category. If you click on edit, you can add up to 3. So right now I just have 2. The next one is the name of your page, and you can edit that if you want. And the next one is the username. This one is very important. The username is used for Facebook, for your URL. So the username will help you. So it'll be like facebook.com/the BA Nation. So whatever your username is going to be what goes after facebook.com. When you first create your page, the username is going to be some random number. And so you want to come in and one of the first things you want to do is create the username. Sometimes the username is going to be almost like a domain. You have to pick something that hasn't been taken by somebody else. It's going to be unique in the Facebook world. So it's very critical. So some people are running into a problem trying to set up a username for a new page. So here we are. I'm gonna try to create a username and hit create username, and boom, Facebook gives you an error. So our way to get around this is to add somebody else as an admin. So you're gonna go to settings, page roles, and you're gonna add maybe a friend. In this case, I'm gonna use my wife. You're gonna make an admin. Put your password in. So now I'm gonna jump into her account, and we're gonna open the page. Now she's admin, and we're gonna try to create the username again. So go to see more, go to about, create a username, and there you go. We're gonna try to create the same username that I was trying to do. And boom, it works. So I don't know what changed on Facebook. I used to be able to do it straight directly from my account, but now I have to add a second admin to the new page. So the next very good idea to fill out is your story. So we're gonna go into the story. You can add pictures and whatnot. So let's go ahead and drag a picture here. This is the team. So here you're pretty much gonna say something about your company, maybe about the page or how you got started. It's just a story of what your page is about, what you're about. So I'm just gonna copy and paste and publish. I want to make it public. Anytime that anybody goes into your page and goes into your about page, they're going to see a little bit more about you, about what you are, about what your business is. And it's just more credible when you go into a page and it's all filled out. So the story is a good option. All right, next up, the contact info. You can have a phone number. This one right here gets created automatically, and it's very useful for if you're going to use Messenger. So you can add this link to your page, to your like regular website, and anytime somebody clicks on it, it's just going to open the Messenger. Or you're going to have your email, whatever you use for that. Normally I use support for my pages. You can also add a domain URL for your domain, for your main website. And lastly, we're gonna go through the more info. The about page is kind of like a description. It's a short description of your page. This one is critical. You always have to have this one at least. Facebook wants you to have the about, at least a description. So don't forget about this one. Definitely fill this one out. Next, you can add your products, just some of the products. Prism, this one is not mandatory. I think it's like in Europe is mandatory. In the United States, you don't really have to have it. So if you required by law to include this, go ahead and add it in there. The founding date, you can change when the page was created or when your business was established. Before you send any traffic to your page, you want to get your about all filled out, looking nice. That way you look credible and you don't look like a brand new page that just started. So in this video, we went over the about section of your new Facebook page.